Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 13th, 2021. Take a look. Today we're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Cosmos, or at least we're planning on doing it. If not, it will just be a simple update as to what we're noticing on the price chart for this cryptocurrency. As you guys can tell, we already got one ongoing on this chart. You can go back and watch our last video about Cosmos in our playlist, in our Atom Cosmo playlist. The last time that our video was on June the 18th, 2021. So we're not hiding anything. We're not hiding anything from our community, from our team, from all those who support this channel. We want to show everyone that you're able to do this for yourself, that you can actually profit and win more often than lose once you understand the language of these markets, right? So if you want to join us, if today's your first time ever seeing our video and you appreciate someone who's actually trying to give you a heads up, trying to let you know this is where the market price is likely to go, you need to join us, join our team, hit that like button, share, and subscribe here to this channel. We're not going to be pumping any cryptocurrencies. We're not going to give you any FUD, any FOMO. It seems like those are some generic terms that people just want to throw out there in this space because it's some type of lingo. And you mention these words and it just drums up in people's emotions, right? So we don't want to do that. We're focusing on one thing, and that is the price. And once you take away everything else, once you eliminate all of this technical indicators, this technical jargon that people try to use, trying to place a lot of things into the pot, once you take everything out the pot, you can actually see what you're cooking. And that's what we're talking about. We only focus in on this price, and price is the only thing that ultimately matters, period. All right, so you want to join us, we're here. So let me talk about the last price prediction we did in Cosmos real quick. You guys can see we played in weakness back on June the 18th. I told you that was the last time we did our video. The market in Cosmos literally has taken 4 days after we've done that price prediction to come in and hit our ultimate TP price of about $10, right? So that's about 19.41% right there. And we wasn't greedy, right? The market ultimately in Cosmos came all the way down to 8 on one day. Imagine if you expected the market in Cosmos to come all the way back down here to $6.75. You would have missed out on some profits, right? We already understood that the overall market in Matic had a higher probability of finding support at 10 rather than $6 or $7. So congratulations to you, to everyone in our community who caught that, who was able to profit into the market in Cosmos when it goes down. So it doesn't matter where price is going to go, we can win either way. So you don't have to be a bull all the time. You can also be a bear if you want to take that. So let me take this away, okay? So now, where are we at? Where are we going in the market in Cosmos? All right. So let me show you what the market looks like from a different perspective. Okay. So here we are. This is the market in Cosmos. I'm going to take this line right here and we're going to move it because we're not trading around $17, $18 anymore. So there's no need for us to keep that line all the way up there. We need to utilize the lines to where market is trading. So first things first, this is where the market in Cosmos is finding some hard areas of restriction. So we need to continue to play that. We appreciate the trap giving us a lot of this evidence and information. So you can see right here, the market in Cosmos had issues breaking price above $15, $15.25, just like it did here in the background. This gives us a lot of information. And even back here in February of 2021, it was acting as support. We broke below that horizontal line and now it is acting as restriction. Cool, we appreciate him showing us this information. Second thing, we're in an uptrend into the market in Cosmos, right? Take a look. Okay, we're in an uptrend. Cool. This is the 2-day time frame. We're still seeing the market strength in Cosmos. The market is still hinting that it wants to go higher in price. I like the fact that it also held this support area around $11.45. That's also an important area that you need to keep in mind. $11.45. This is the 5-day time frame. Now, one thing that I can see here on the 5-day is that, yeah, this market in Cosmos has been getting hit with some weakness in selling. So I'm here to tell you that we're not clear selling right now. The market is still showing that even though we've been inching higher ever so slightly, there is still selling going on. So you got to also mix that in into the prospect of seeing higher price movement in Cosmos. You just have to. Now, this is the weekly time frame. We ended the week in Cosmos pretty good, right? The volume is kind of decent. It's a little bit heavier than what we've seen in last week, but the market was still able to overcome a lot of the weakness that tried to come through. So my only issue that I'm seeing on this particular price chart is this horizontal line, $15.25, give or take. That is a major problem, right? So even though we may be seeing strength on these charts, we still got that $15.25 price that's in the way, literally. And the market can't go back down from that $15 price. We have to be prepared for these type of events to occur so that we won't be caught off guard. So let me look at this on an hourly time frame, okay? Because I still see that this market in Cosmos or Atom is trying to go higher in price. Now, I don't want you all to think that it's going to go all the way back up to around $26, $28 because that's irrelevant. We've seen the market already break this $15.25 area to the downside. So what I'm seeing is that, yeah, we can play the market strength in Cosmos, but $14 is also an area that I'm seeing could play this currency from going higher in price. So I got $14 back up here towards this $15.25 area. So let's see what will be the percentage gains of that. Okay, the first one was right here around 14. Okay, that's about 4.32%. Now you want to play this like a day trader type scenario, or you could play this on an hourly basis. Come in, put the players in a game, take them out. When they hit $14, you get 4.32% out the market, right? But if you're more in tune with playing this in a long term, you have to go past that $14. But even then, you know, I'm not going to be extremely bullish into the market in Cosmos. Maybe around 15. That's about 11 and a quarter, right? That's not being greedy. That is us expecting to see some selling and some weakness to begin right around that $15 price. This is how you're able to not become overextended and more greedier in this space, because we already tracked where the last area of selling came in. So we want to beat everyone else before the market comes back down, right? So we got two areas of TP. First one is $14. You probably would miss that if you watch this video tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, 3 days down the road. You may have already missed that particular move. So the next peak TP area will be around 15. And again, depending on when you watch this video, you might have missed that one too. So that's why we make sure that everyone in our community tap that bell notification so they can see these plays once they become uploaded to YouTube. Okay, and I'm going to hold that support area right there around $12 for Cosmos in turns to allow this play to go on. Okay, so let me bring this forward, and I definitely want to reiterate that $14 price. You know, everyone needs to keep that in mind in Cosmos. So that's it. This is the play. This is what we're expecting the market to do over the next couple of days. Now is your turn. I mean, call the markets with us. Let us know what you all see. What are you expecting to occur into the market in Cosmos over the next 2 to 3 weeks? Where do you think the price will be? Do you think we're going to break this $15 price level? And if so, how high do you think the market's going to go? If not, where do you think the price is going to go then? Let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.